Hey everyone, we're here trying out a bit of a janky noise deck. As you can see here, we're playing Globalsec Security Clearance. So we need to get 2 link, and then we can lose a click to see the top card of R&D, then hopefully play a virus and mill it. Opening hand sets us up in the long run, but I don't think it's good enough short term. I think we're going to mulligan this. And this is okay. I would obviously prefer a sure gamble. We do have access to Globalsec, which is kind of thematically correct. And we do have a virus that we can start up as well pretty quickly. So I think we draw. Perfect. This, let's show them that there's something up maybe. So not your typical noise build. They may already be wondering, what the hell is going on? Access to Globalsec. Now unfortunately, they have iced up archives. That's just good practice against noise, really. So we can run early to force a res, but we don't have anything to pressure with. You need lamprey or you need parasites are good. Draw again, and let's get imp down. A, it's a mill. B, it may make them more proactive about purging or rezzing stuff. They don't have a lot of money, so attacking HQ here is pretty good. We can afford to click through Fairchilds or anything big and beefy. If it's an end the run, we can possibly parasite it. So not in a terrible position. We also have Cipher, so we can start going to town on things. And they do install a card in server 1. Also, force to trash something. Not always a position you want to be in against noise. Oh, they have actions, right? That makes sense. So possibly a campaign or Jackson. But either way, let's check out HQ. Okay, that will stop us in our tracks. We could run again, but we could hit Fairchild, so that's not that exciting. We could parasite, Cipher, run, which is actually okay, I think. The joys of modern Netrunner, huh? So we force them to res, we blow things up really easily, and we'll get to imp something as well. Enhanced lagging protocol. Let's get rid of that. Arc lockdown for parasite. There's only the one though, so possibly a bit preemptive. Friends in high places is pretty good though. Advanced cellular lines, they'll be able to recycle and get out their wall of static if needs be. Yeah. Well, we're of course going to force the res. Sure. If we want to, we can do the parasite play again. And why not? Hopefully we can imp something good, or just steal. Let's take a look and see what the last card is. That'll do nicely. So now they need a piece of ice for here, or we're just going to keep running, imping things. Maybe even get data score down for that little bit of extra pressure. Friends again. Advanced assembly lines, which of course is going to be wall of static. So we can force a run the res here. Over 9 credits again, which is dangerous. Well, let's run HQ. Let's see what this last card is, or they can res. Their choice. If they drop below 6 credits, we don't have to fear Fairchild, which is always good. Architect is still a problem. That is something we may need to respect. Next silver. Yeah, let's get rid of that. And showing off, probably not useful just yet. Some would say it's not useful at all. So Adonis finally gets to get raised. So we've milled 3, have we? No, they trashed. I think we try and just set ourselves up a little bit here. So we have another parasite. That'll do us nicely. Let's money up and sure gamble. So now we're in a better position for future turns as well. I think we try and check out what R&D is. And now we know we have to respect the next suite. So parasites are definitely a thing we need. Another friends in high places. A card that really makes you feel you should play Eddie Kim. Because now they're stabilizing somewhat. And that is a little problematic for us. Next silver comes up back on HQ. So as many pieces of ice that we trash, they're getting back easily enough. So let's check out R&D instead. Next silver. That's fair enough. Let's check out HQ. I'm surprised there's no res on the next ice there. That'll do it. That's fine. Imp is grand. We get a Vitruvius. And we can parasite that and run again, which sounds like a plan. So an 8 cost piece of ice gets instantly trashed. Sad times. Oh yeah, that'll do too. Good old advanced assembly lines. So we do have the corroder. Now they're just going to trash next goal themselves. Arc lockdown for parasite, you'd assume. And now we have to play actual Netrunner. Boo, how boring. But they're already flying through cards in their stack. They're not in a great way, I would say. Let's get Corroder down and let's run... let's go R&D. Let's hope they don't play Snare. No, next silver. Well, that'll be problematic as well. So money is not going to be a problem for them. But we still have plenty of viruses to get. We have seen so far Data Sucker, which is obviously useful, Imp, and 3 parasites. So this turn I think we draw up. Medium could do work. Earthrise also could, but it is expensive. I think we IFAD worse instead. Probably not going to get hit by too much damage. Deja Vu is useful. We'll get back our Imp and Data Sucker. Be able to run HQ once again. This is a pretty strong server, but it's going to be occupied for quite some time. And this indicates that there are good things over here. So I think we Deja Vu... yeah, that was a long time coming. I think you have to respect the rumour mill a long time beforehand. So we could Deja Vu for Imp Data Sucker. But this is kind of expensive for us to get through. So maybe we just credit up instead. Credit up and then take away all the credits by putting down Earthrise. Yeah, maybe we just get imp back. Credit. This and I think just another credit. Not that much left in R&D. Also, we don't have viruses really, and we don't have a just chronotype. So there's a couple of things we need before, you know, our janky engine is up and running. So they're going for a score here, which makes sense. I think they have to push for something pretty quick, and a Vitruvius would be very handy for them as well. Yep, that seems like a good move. Let's see. If we do Katie, this is okay, I suppose. Put money on this and take a credit. And that at least keeps a data sucker for next turn if we do decide to lose a click. No, just a beta test. Now they're going for the slamming approach. Yes, let's Fairchild 3. Well, we do want to get rid of that. So let's get data sucker down. Store another 3 and take a credit. Let's get rid of medium, I think. And now things are a little more sketchy for us, because they're going to just keep windmilling agendas, I think. And we could go from a very good position to a not so great one. We don't have any viruses to install this turn, so I think we just play. Let's take money. Install Mimic. Let's run HQ again. Oh well. So that's bad. So pay 6. And that puts us in not a great position. Lose our thrives, which isn't that bad. Could possibly save ourselves 3 credits, just sack the data sucker. Okay, it's time to just run things. Let's take a look at archives. So obviously one of the problems with this deck at the moment is a lack of a draw engine. Noise has always been good for like the Wildside chronotype engine. Always been quite dependent on that for getting up and running. Let's spend 0 here. So they will kill us if they get this right. Oh well. So, things to fix with this deck, as it is its first outing. Draw was obviously an issue. But aside from that, things went okay. We're not using ASOPs as an engine, because we're using all the janky influence on like the Globalsec Security Clearance, which could have done more work. We could have seen Temujin much earlier, but wasn't to be, and Tapeworm as well. So all the things that we tied up so much influence is right at the bottom of the deck. But hope you enjoyed it anyway. Thanks for watching.